Madame de Michiel, we are very happy and honored to invite you to celebrate with us in this in this festival Sepharad, the concert of Nos Racines Andalous avec l'Orchestre Andalous Symphonique de Montréal and the great Yochai Cohen who came to us all the way from Israel. It's at 8 o'clock this Sunday. Don't miss it. It's going to be great.